Sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Welcome back to Umnkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafowethu for tuning in. You're very much welcome. Igama lami nguPhilile. Thank you very much for coming. Please kindly subscribe kulike video, ushare video. Sizokhuluma ke ngo Sweet Guluva uqeda kuwina laphana ka the Big Brother Mzansi season 5. Ishow engayibuki bafowethu angizoqamba manga. Angibukile ya show kodwa ke I've seen udaba ka Sweet Guluva njengoba everywhere laba sihamba khona bekuthi vote for Sweet Guluva bafowethu sigcine like abantu sebesilo ukuthi hayi bafowethu ngeke siyaposta nina nje niyeza vote for Sweet Guluva yonke comment section kuzobe nje ukuthi vote for Sweet Guluva but ugcine ewinile lana bebekhuluma ukuthi baningi osaziwayo ke akade behamba no Sweet Guluva bafaka imfanekiso bafowethu kunabanye akade edlala nabo uyanda hlangabezo bese kuba ke ngisuku mabunda yona nto abakhuluma ngayo bathi kungenela kosaziwayo bakulele ke ekukhankaseleni abadlana imilala ke emqhudalanweni obizwa ngeBig Brother Mzansi sekwenze kwashuba kakhulu ku season 5 insizwe yasenquthu ke uAkhona Mathemba Sweet Guluva Mpelo na 23 iyona ke bukeka inosaziwayo abaningi ke abahamba nayo futhi ke abangezinye izizwe ekubeni ke abanyoza kwabo basekele kakhulu kazi ngosaziwayo abanobuzwe abufana nabo. Like I've seen somewhere where this girl uNsuku Mabunda I think was supported by uMakhathi abantu bathi Makhathi tribalism, you know what I mean. Baba fethu naye ulokungana unamazulu amaningi bafethu uSweet Guluva so kukhona uSjava lana kukhona abanye abantu ibonile iKZN ukuthi beyivunga kanjani so asiyekeni bafethu ukuthi umuntu vele umuntu uzosupportwa ngabakubo because uzoyika kanjani ukuthi umsupport wangakini kodwa bekungasikho lokho kodwa abantu nje bebesupporta lo muntu abamthandayo ngeke ngabona abantu bengathi ukhona besole uMakhathi ukuthi usupporta lo girl wathi ingoba ngiwale kubo you know namazulu amaningi bamsupportile uSweet Guluva ngoba ngiwakubo uzomyeka kanjani wangakini. Yes of course akumelanga kube yileyo nto but obviously umuntu vele uzothola isupport kakhulukazi ebantwini bangakubo so ugcine winile uSweet Guluva bafethu winile iBig Brother Mzansi season 5. Congratulations to him, siyambongela kakhulu bafethu. Lana bebekhuluma nje ukuthi osaziwayo abaningi sibona ama celebrities amaningi uSomizi wakhala ngabantu ka comment section ukuthi mawuthi uyaposta yibo nje bagcwele ngama comments vote for Sweet Guluva, vote for Sweet Guluva uthi uyaposta beze nje ngalawo ma comments something like that wagcina enza ama video ekhala ukuthi hayi ngathi manje seniyasipora futhi senenze ukuthi uSweet Guluva angawini ngoba into eniyenzayo but yeah fortunately uwinile fortunately kumsebenzele lokho yabafowethu so ukuthi ake kosaziwayo abathi khuphuka Sweet Guluva kuba la ke rapper odabuka eNorthwest angithi lana ubengakawini bafowethu kodwa bekulolo suku ngiyacabanga ke on Sunday or mhlambe Saturday late something like that kukhulunywa ke laphana umreporter ke Northwest uCasper Nyovest umreporter wase Bergville uJabulani Sjava Hadebe umculi weBlack Diamond wasemlambithi ke usiphelele Daniel Davis Dunya umfundi wezindaba zesizulu kweSABC1 waseClermont uNoxolo Mtshali umculi wamapiano ududuzile ledidingwenya umsakazo Khoze FM wakwaNongoma uChata Ngobe inkosi yomculo wamapiano wasePumalanga uKabelo Kabza the Small Motor owayengumsakazo Khoze FM wasenkandla ungizwe umculi weAfro House waseNanda unaledi yaphiwe eNyongwana umsakazo weJoseph FM uPhenentuli umculo okholo uThina Zungu abaculi bakaMaskandi umjolisi Ntencane imfeze emnyama nabanye ibona kade besemva kaSweet Guluva bafethu sibonge basebenzile ngoba nanko ugcineke ewinile siyambongela kakhulu so lapha kukhulunywa ukuthi umculi waseLimpopo Makhathi yena uhamba noNsuku Mabunda wangakuwo ekubeni uliye emaphansi ethi weseka umkhaya wakhe uAyanda I think is Uyanda Hlangabeza wasengcobo eEastern Cape nakuba kunjalo umsakazi weVuma FM uJazz is it Jacinta oJakinta ngobese inxuse abantu kuba ke bangamphoqi ukuba ukhankasele uSweet Guluva umele ukhankasele umuntu omthandayo never man ukuthi akenwa ngakini yabo but sesikusho ukuthi vele abantu bangakini bazophuma bebaningi because they have to support you, you know what I mean. Hayi ukuthi sesizothi no tribalism whatever it is ayiba fethu kanjalo nomculo ke wokholo obethusile Mcinga ucele ukuziqhelanisa nomkhakaso wokuba kuvotela umkhaya wakho uyanda khona manjalo kubukeka ke lesisicoco sibheke enquthu ngenxa yokwesekwa kuka Sweet Guluva like I said ukuthi beku before right so nakuba kunjalo ke kodwa abalandeli baka uyanda abazibekile phansi sorry ezikhundleni zokuxhumana bathi iyobanjwa esithele nayo ngokwezibalo uSweet Guluva angase aphume phambili indawo yesibili kumele ithathwe uyanda bese isithathu sithathwa ke unsuku. So abanye abakhona ke ngoMarobela Fortunate Nate Onet Sitwaba noKarabo Jojo into kanjalo amaphupho alaba abadlana imlala emzuliswaneni wamanqamu ayaphela kuMzansi Magic DSTV 161 bekhuluma ke lapho ngayizolo ntambama wagcine winile uSweet Guluva bafethu. Congratulations to him. Usebenzile emndeni wakhe sibonile uma wakhe inkosi yamabafowabo mhlawumbe ngizoba nama clips engizonibonisa something like that bekukuhle lapha yana bafethu. You know like umuntu mewina kanje bafethu ubona like his mom. I was so like my heart was so like wow bafethu bekusweet nje lokho, you know what I mean. Yeah man, congratulations ngempela kuSweet Guluva. Kubo bonke abamsupportile guys, thank you very much. Asimbongeleni bafethu kuhle lokhana besikubuka ke izolo. Like ngishilo ngathi mina angiyona ifan ye Big Brother, but ngiyayazi ngoba ngiyibona around njengomuntu osuke around ngezindaba nantontoni ama clips ngiyabona, but angikaze ngihlale phansi ngithi ngiyayilandelela nje to watch from episode 1 episode no. But ke bafethu, I congratulations to him brother uwinile, which is very very good. Congratulations to him again. Yabonga kakhulu ukuthi ubuke video, like, subscribe, share ke bese siyabonana kwelandelayo. Bye.